What up, what up, what up? So, want to show y'all the finished product. Got this little Magnavox TV and my VCR, and I want to show you guys a little bit of a surprise. Look at this. Stranger Things, Chapter 1 and 2. This is what it looks like. I was able to get the change it, take it off the widescreen to give it a more realistic, old school feel. The DVD player that I was using has a zoom option that cuts the sides off, like you would normally see in old school tapes. You know how they would kind of you know, once it was out of the theater, it would be made for TV. So it would be like 4:3. So once I did that, that was it. As you can see, this is Stranger Things playing on VHS on an old school TV. That's me fast forwarding it. Alright, so that's it. So far I've got the first 4 episodes done. Chapter 3 and 4. I'm gonna finish the other 4 episodes later on today. I just wanted to show y'all my update on my progress. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you.